guys, Saving with Shay. I just got back from the gym and I feel so freaking pumped right now. Listen, this is my weekend haul for you guys. I didn't do a midweek because I felt like the deals just wasn't dealing for me. I was just like, time, money is hot, and the deals ain't dealing. So I was just like, oh no, it's not gonna happen. Now I don't know if the deals are really dealing right now either, to be honest. I do have a weekend. I need 15 offers for $5. We also have another bonus. It's called I have another bonus. It's called the fully charged bonus. And for that, I need 22 for $5. And then a larger bonus is called the scoop up savings bonus. And for that, I need 54 for $10. Now, ideally, if I could get 22 offers today for $10, that would be freaking awesome. But I ideally don't think that's going to happen, to be honest. I'm not even sure if I'll be able to hit my weekend today. Now, I did see some deals posted for Vons, which is a Safeway affiliate, so I may go by there and do some deals. I did do a couple deals a few days ago. I'll share with y'all that as well. And so with that being said, if you're new here, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay with the bow bow. I did biceps today. I haven't worked biceps in like 3 weeks. Because I had a little injury, but the biceps are bicep. And so definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. And with that being said, we're going to head to Walmart first. See what kind of awesome deals that we can grab if you want to see what you're going to do. Keep on watching. All right, so first up is the Probiotic Kombucha. It's priced at $2.64. Now, I do have this offer on Social Nature as a freebie. There's also 50 cents on Ibotta, making this a 50-cent money maker. The Goodles, priced at $3.83. There is a free aisles offer. I'll link it in the description. And then we're getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, making this a 50-cent money maker. All right, so next up is the Stir. I guess they no longer carry it in my area. It just popped up on Ibotta this morning. It's a freebie. Well, let's be honest, sometimes free ain't free on Ibotta. Anyhow, I believe it priced at $3.48, getting that back. It should make it free. But again, they don't carry it here in my area. So I know they have it at Target, but this offer's only for Walmart. All right, next up is the Pleasy drinks. They are priced at $1.67 on rollback. Getting back 75 cents on Ibotta brings those down to 92 cents each. Okay, so next up is the Life. They were out of stock yesterday, and I'm happy that they restocked. Anyways, they're priced at $3.96. Getting back 3 on Ibotta, limit of 2, makes them 96 cents each. Yeah, we haven't did an egg check in a while, but they are going down, which is awesome. So let's see. I don't know how much the 60. Oh, the 60 count is $16. I think last time I checked it was like over 30, I want to say, which is good. Eggs are going down. And then the 18 count is $5.52. I think I saw the double pack of the 18 for $9. How much are eggs in your area? I mean, are they going down? Because I feel like gas is going down right now. Gas is like $3.96 and eggs are going down. So and then there is the True Moo. It's priced at $4.22. There's a 50% back offer, which is $2.25. It brings it down to $1.97. There's still an offer on the Silk Kids, priced at $4.88. Getting back $3 makes that $1.88. So next up is the Pedigree Drizzlers. They are priced at 84 cents. Now I still have 3 OTC offers for this. That offer is no longer available, so I will pay nothing out of pocket. I'll get back 84 cents on Fetch Reward. It's gonna make all 3 free, plus an 84-cent moneymaker for each one. Now, even if you don't have the OTC offer, which the link hasn't been working, that's why I haven't shared it. It's not working. It's still a great deal. Next up is the Purina Beneful. Little tub cup thingies. They're priced at $2.48 for this. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. That total is going to come to $4.96. You'll get back $2.50 on Ibotta for buying 2, makes them $1.23 each. Oh my gosh, Ibotta got jokes. They think they funny. They was like, y'all complaining about all these free airwick warmers? Hell, we gonna make you pay for them now. Oh my god, they got jokes. And like, dude, I know most of us have like a gazillion trillion of them. We're really, really not trying to pay for them. But if you want to pay for them and you don't have a quadrillion zillion like most of us do, the Airwick Advanced is priced at $398. Ibotta is giving you back a whole $1.50. A whole entire $1.50 makes them $248. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know who's going to do this deal, but I'm definitely not doing this deal. I'm not going to pay $248 for something that we've been getting for free for months and months and months and months. And so, yeah. All right. I was actually surprised to find some all peelies, but it's only on the Mighty Packs. See there. All right. So if you grab a pack of the 19 count, it's priced at $4.97, right? You would pay $2.97. You get back 75 cents on Ibotta, makes it $2.22. And so yeah, it's not a terrible deal, but it's not the greatest of deals either. All right, next up is Purcell. I've been really lucky this morning. There's Purcell pillies. So listen, if you want to grab one, price at $5.44, use the $2 pilly. You'll end up paying $3.44, getting back to one Ibotta makes it $1.44. Really quick, check your t-shirts. These are the ones that are normally like $4.98 and $5.98. I did grab Josiah some yesterday for $2 and $3. I think I got him this one, I got him that one, and I got him another one. But yeah, so check. And some of these are actually 4th of July ones, to be honest. Like, and yeah, so I got him like 4 or 5 t-shirts yesterday. So yeah. All right, and next up is Auto Fusion. This is the store that I was at that day that associate did not want to help me. And I would normally step up there, but because these rows are so close together in this store, the rows are really high. But anyways, so they're priced at $5.98. Now for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. There are $3 IPs on coupons.com. That'll bring your total down to $5.96. You'll get back 7 on inbox dollars, making this a $1.04 moneymaker. I think I'm gonna try to grab 2 of them, cause let me see. Oops. Yeah, there's just 2 up there, and so I'm gonna grab 2 of them. So yeah, and actually, y'all, I don't know what it is. This formula, these taste a little different than the previous ones that I had, and so yeah. So I'm at Vons and I have 5 deals to share. This first one, where is it? Is on the Popwell. Now this is an offer on Fetch. So you're gonna grab one at $1, you'll get back $1.10 on Fetch Reward, making them a 10-cent moneymaker again. That was a limit of 5. The next thing that I grabbed was the, I think it's pronounced Tejava tea. It's on the 1-liter bottles. Now I got this on the last week's sale, which made them $2 each. So I paid $4. I got back $2 on aisles, but I also got back $1 bonus. So $3 on aisles, $1.50 on Ibotta, made them a 50-cent moneymaker. Now if you're grabbing this week's sale, then you'd pay $5, get back $4.50, so it'd make them 25 cents. Now I want to try this deal on the Pepsi 2 liters. Now this, they have been working for the offer on Checkout 51. I don't see it on my sister apps, but I'll double check. But even without that, just doing Checkout 51, you would grab a total of 4 of them at 99 cents when you clip the digital within the app. So you'll end up paying $3.96. You'll get back 3 on Checkout 51. It'll make them 24 cents each. So I'm going to try that deal out and see if it works. I'll let you know. Right, I was going to grab the stir here, but they don't have any. And they're actually on sale for $4.49. You would get that back on Ibotta, makes it free. They don't have none. I was looking too, so I'll keep checking to see if they restock on that. I'm definitely gonna get some rock stars, you guys. They're on sale with the digital for 99 cents, and you guys know that they are the only ones that carry the flavor that I really like, so I'm gonna go see if they have it. That I'm gonna grab is on the club crackers. We never get deals on club crackers. Like, this is like my favorite cracker. They're just so freaking expensive. And so I'm definitely going to be doing this deal. Now, they are $1.99 when you buy 3. And so I'm going to go ahead and grab 3 of them. You're getting back $1.25 on Ibotta. So it makes them only 74 cents each. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. So here is my complete haul for today. So y'all, I didn't even hit my weekend. I didn't. I was 3 offers short. I went to Vons. I did the club deal, the club cracker deal. But for that, you have to buy the Hawaiian one. I did not scan in store or read it. They say reading is fundamental. And so, and I am not going back up there because it's hot and it's crowded. It's like 95 degrees in SoCal, Victor Valley Hood. And so I'm gonna go tomorrow morning and exchange them. As far as the other bonus, I am 7 away from that. So if I do 10 tomorrow, I'll be able to knock those both out. But as far as today, I did not hit any of my bonuses. As far as the Pepsi, I did that at Vons. I was gonna let y'all know if it was gonna work out for Checkout 51, and it did. But the 2 liters, those have been working for Checkout 51. I was just hoping that I would have the offer on one of the sister apps, but I don't. And it still makes them 24 cents each, which is definitely not bad. I'll probably do it on my account tomorrow morning when I go back. As far as the coupons, the per sale coupons work, I actually still have those smaller per sale coupons, the pillies. I still have some of those. So I actually use those and save the ones that I found today. That dial coupon, the hang tag, that one has been working. I did go to self-checkout today. I know one of you guys mentioned in one of my last videos as far as printables at Walmart to cover up that like it's an elongated like QR code situation at the top right to cover that, and I did, and it actually worked. So I grabbed 2 at one store, that's all they had, went to another store and grabbed 4. Self-checkout, they all scanned, which was absolutely awesome. So it basically made those like a 50-ish cent moneymaker for each one. I did say they taste different. New formula. I absolutely like the new ones. I was trying to describe to Joseph the difference. Like the older ones is more of a gummy, get stuck to your teeth type of situation. But the newer formula is more of like a gumdrop where it it's not gummy on your teeth. And I actually really like the new formula better. And so I definitely will be grabbing that deal again if I can find more, probably tomorrow even. As far as what else? The pedigree, I did do that on one transaction. Let me find the receipt for that. It's right here. I did all 3 on one transaction. It did come off down there. And I got back the 84 cents for each one on Fetch Reward. And then for the Vital Fusion, there goes the coupons that came off. This receipt was 2. There goes the dial as well. And then this receipt, I did 4 Vital Fusions. Coupons worked, per sale coupons worked. And so yeah, I actually only had like 3 receipts. The other one is from Vons. It's in the other room. But I actually like going and just knocking it out with a few receipts. Like your girl be having like a dozen receipts. Like I be like, what the. And so yeah, but this worked out pretty good. I submitted my receipt for the Goodles. That one said, I think it said 48 to 72 hours. The Tejava tea, that one went through already. I said I got $1 bonus plus $2. The hum is on Social Nature, and that one's still processing. That one usually takes like 2 days. And so yeah, and so let me kind of run through this really quick. All right, so everything you see here retails $89.89. I had $30.52 in coupons and OTCs. That brought the out of pocket down to $59.37, getting back $17.65 from Ibotta, 14 from Easybucks. Fetch Reward was $8.02. Inbox dollars was $7. Aisles is $6.83. Checkout 51 is $3. And last but not least, Social Nature is $2.64. So we're getting back a total of $59.14 back nets. Everything you see here at 23 cents, you guys. To not hit a bonus, 23 cents is flipping phenomenal. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. And what emoji can I say? One of you guys let me know that I forgot the emoji in the last video. Let's see a watermelon emoji. If you make it to the end, as always, I appreciate you guys watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.